Good evening, my dear friends. Who will bell the kite? This becomes a very big question in the industry, on and often, but especially during COVID-19, this has become very big challenge. Who will bell the kite? If you draw parallel line to this phrase, who will control the expenditure? You will control, I will control, he will control, she will control. Who will control? Who will bell the kite? Who will control the overheads? So generally, after a lot of debates, it is seen that HR domain, they are the people who draw the personal policies, loan policies, leave policies, salary policies, wage policies, advance policies, and so many such type of policies whichever is required in the organization is mostly drawn by HR professional. Now during COVID, who will initiate the minimize the expenditure or bring down the expenditure? Because situation already I have discussed many a time that during COVID period it has become very difficult to manage the activities of the industry, activities of the operation, services and manufacturing. HR is a appropriate department who reviews the policies time and again. During Corona, where there is no inflow of the money, where it has become very difficult to raise the bills, serve the wells. In such circumstances, in very small cash flow, how to manage the business through HR tools. Very first and foremost, that increment to be given should be assessed many times, that it should not be burden on the company, rather it should motivate to the person concerned, and that to also few persons. Salary and wage gradation, structuring, basic DA, HRA conveyance, and these parameters should be rationalized such a way that it should not lead expense on the company, but somehow it should motivate to the people. How to stock out the balance, that is the talent of the HR department. सैलरी को कम भी करो, फैट सैलरी है उसको स्लिम एंड ट्रिम करो, इंक्रीमेंट के परसेंटेज पे कंट्रोल करो, एंड thus सर्टेन इम्पॉर्टेंट ओवरहेड्स कंट्रोल करें, मिनिमाइज करें, और उसको हम ले जा करके अवेलेबल कैश फ्लो के साथ में टाइप करें। जो अवेलेबल कैश फ्लो पर डे का होना चाहिए उतना मनी हम कास्ट कंट्रोल के द्वारा निकाल सकें, बचा सकें, इंडस्ट्री को मूविंग कंडीशन में रखें और कैश फ्लो को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएं। अगर हम छोटी बातों की ओर जाते हैं तो इस पर्सनल पॉलिसीज में लोन देने की प्रथाएं होती हैं, बंद कर दीजिए। क्यों? कैश फ्लो बहुत वीक है। कार लोन, टू व्हीलर लोन, हाउसिंग लोन स्टॉप कर दीजिए। सिचुएशन ठीक नहीं है। हम सबको फर्स्ट क्लास एयर फेयर देते हैं ट्रैवल करने के लिए। सिचुएशन आ गई है कि हम ट्रेन से हम पॉलिसी बनाएं कि ट्रेन से लोग टूर एंड ट्रैवल कर सकें। लोग जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है वहाँ पर ही फर्स्ट क्लास टिकट एंड पासेस का इस्तेमाल करें। अदरवाइज don't take it granted that either train is empty going and you are traveling in the first class. No, you have to take the call when situation is under control, when situation can be improvised, then you have to also control your nature of the expenditure. Don't take it granted that all these things is readily available to travel on the first class, to move in the air, to use the Ola, to use the car and all these things. No, three-wheeler also can be used, and that is the way HR domain is set to control the expenditure. A small drop can fill the ocean. On that ground I am saying that small saving can give the good saving. At least it will inculcate the habit. It will inculcate the habit that how to save the things at each and every point. Take the call, justify the position, each and every place where the planners are required, a small notebook can work out. Small things are required, very fine. But where the things were going lavish and it was very green side, was the every side, that should be given thought that when the situation has come, we should control it, we should maintain it, so that in the tough time, so that during the adversity, company can run, company can move, and therefore the employment of the people are safe and secure. Expenditure, how much expenditure is being controlled, that much fluency you will get to offer the job to the people. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to run the industry. I am vice president, I will move in the air. I am vice president, I will move in the Ola, cab, cool cab. Alright, it's up to company management to tolerate these kind of the things. But fact is that somewhere, somehow, all these things we have to chop up, we have to minimize, we have to control, and this should come out of the habit of each employee. Then a control of the overheads and expenditure can be done. HR can be initiator, but initiative should be shown by each one of us, then success will come. Then cost will be controlled, overheads will be controlled, and we will be moving in the right direction. Thank you very much. This much in this video. Thank you.